Whoa, houses. Hi. Oh, I found a town.
Yeah, I think I might have looted that town. If it's anywhere close to where I am.
Yeah, it kinda is.
Okay. Yeah, I think I explored it, and it's decently looted. There might be a few things still in there.
Pretty little neighborhood. Ooh, big building. Oh, it's a garage. Remember that time the ladder tried killing you?
Yeah! Fuck that ladder.
Whoa. Hey, I'm underneath the map.
Oh no!
It didn't render yet and I just went down.
I think it was like the first time we ever played together. And like... I was trying to find like a new area. It was near the barns. The Shitty Von Shitty barns, as I like to refer to them. And like... I was like, oh yeah, there might be some loot drops or something. And then I just go straight through the map. Real quick.
The dogs murdered us.
Oh my god. And there was like a feral ghoul or whatever you want to call it. Like, I might go back to that server, but it was just it was such a horrible experience. That was like one of my very first times playing.
Whoa. Did you dig into the road?
What?
Have you dug into the road at all?
No, but there is a hole in the road, so I don't know. Guided.
I think someone should fix this pothole.
Nah, dude, like we've got state funding, it's okay. They'll get to it eventually.
Tennessee, best kept roads ever.
Let's see.
God, they've been working on a road out in my area for like the past month. And they still haven't finished it yet.
Wow.
Well, not month. Year.
Oh, jeez.
I can't even talk. Thinking, past month, oh, that's nothing. Like, wait. That ain't right. No, one road in a big town near where I live, Murfreesboro. They have been working on the roads there for like 4 years. Widening all the lanes and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, why aren't the lanes wide enough?
Who knows?
Nope, people need wider lanes so they can have more accidents.
Yep.
Cutting off more people.
I mean,
If it fixed the pothole.
I mean, sure, it's like, oh, less traffic and everything during the power hour, but you know, like, people are gonna be dicks, and people are gonna abuse what they're given. And what do you think the easiest way to abuse that is? The most usable, which is traffic. I suppose. I mean, I don't drive, but you know, that's what
I should be driving, but
I suppose that would be like a major thing. If you want to be a dick to someone, just get on the most dangerous thing, the almost dangerous thing that man has created and is most common in this world. I would say the most dangerous thing that man has created is himself, really. But yeah.
So you like building things, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So do you play Minecraft at all?
I have it. I mean, I haven't played much of it recently.
Yeah. I'm thinking about doing some Minecraft Let's Plays eventually.
dying. Corn. Bucket of water.
Let me tear this down.
Oh, it's yucca fruit.
Oh, that's good.
Not corn.
Where is it?
Oh, in my door.
Okay.
I'm using the U thing.
Yeah.
Can I drink a bucket of water? No. Of course not. Why would you be able to drink water from a bucket?
I'll use something better.
What can you get, Jared?
Let me use a fire axe. That might come in handy. Yep. This block just does not want... Okay, there it goes. It just did not want to come down at all. And it was like... just a basic block, pretty much. And I was using it as a fire axe. And a steel axe... yeah, a steel axe, and I was like, nah. Give me all you got, you douche. Let's see if this'll... It might work. Come on. Don't be this way. Don't be this way. Come on. Go. Go. Okay, well, I'll just build around you, I guess.
I have a spot you can't build in?
Yeah. What the fuck is happening over here? I swear, like, something is exploding or something. I don't know. Like I hear it behind me. What the fuck is this?
Ow.
Really?
Sorry.
Really? Really, dude?
It took you long enough to notice.
At first I was like, I don't really care, but now it's like, yeah, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Uh-huh.
You wanna fight? You wanna fight? I got this.
Yeah, no.
You dropped your axe.
Uh-huh.
What do you got now? Oh, you got a gun?
Yeah. Okay. We kind of don't need to fight right now because we're building and everything, but still, like, that was pretty nice. Now I gotta use a fucking band-aid and first aid and your bullshit.
Here it is.
Okay. Actually, oh, what the fuck?
Oh, Jesus, it killed you. Oh, Jesus. I did not think it would kill you. I thought I wasn't even aiming at you.
What did you use?
Are you okay? Sniper rifle.
Oh.
I was aiming like a little below you and it actually hit you.
Yeah. And you just decreased my health cap to 16 to 8 when I just got it up to like 76.
How do you increase your health cap?
You either level up or stuff like that.
Oh, okay. Well, your bag's over here.
Yeah, I know. I don't really need it. I'll get it sometime.
I forgot about our cotton crop. I dropped a bomb over here, I think. Oh wait, no, it was over here. Oops. Yeah, I have pipe bombs.
Can plants grow underground?
No, let's find out.
Okay.
I know mushrooms can.
Yeah.
You know, there's a type of bean that can.
Because that would be nice.
Yeah, shh.
What?
It didn't do anything.
Okay.
Thought I killed myself. The wrong button. You know, we should really widen these tunnels a bit.
Yeah, if you want to, go ahead.
Or at least get some of the red of some of these stalagmites. They're kind of weird looking.
So I'm... Well, I
Rocks
could
fall.
maybe do that. I don't know. Let's see if this will work. I'm gonna try to build a bridge in the air. Yeah, this works. Okay. I'm gonna build a bridge in the air to my spawn point. Oh, that didn't work. Okay.
Did it fall?
I thought it was gonna work, but guess not. Let's see. Well, I could just use wood frames because they work anywhere with anything. Is that working so far?
Or yeah. No. Oh.
Damn.
Oh.
Wow.
I fixed the problem.
No, you're still in there. Oh yeah, you did.
Oh, I leveled up. I'm now level 3.
That's good. What the fuck? Like, this is not working at all. I might have to just...
I think...
Like, is there anything that can stay up in the air, or...
Monkey?
What?
No, nothing. Oh. I said monkey.
Oh, okay.
Like a guessing thing.
Oh, yeah? You're a clever one.
Yeah. I mean... Yeah. Got a problem, Missy?
My teacher wanted me to write an essay, but I'm no snitch. Eh? Is that good? Does that work for you?
It's funny.
Okay, that's good.
Everything works for me.
Yep.
Except for some other things that don't work for me.
No bueno.
Yeah. No comprende.
Eh? ¿Cómo estás?
How much Spanish do you know?
Do you speak English? Puta. What?
No, I don't speak English.
Oh no, eh?
Nope, no English. At all. Not like I'm an American.
Okay.
Born in America.
You'll do that. Okay. But I'm still trying to find, like, what will work for this. I'm thinking just pretty much make a reinforced wood walkway and, like, build it up a while. And I don't know. It might take a while, but at least, like, a walkway from my spawn point to the base, or, like, somewhere in there. So that might work. Or, like, the entrance or something. So if I die, I can just go straight in. I don't know. Like, there's a lot of things that could go wrong, and that will probably go wrong.
Close to my back teeth. I really need to reset up a bed because for some reason now it didn't work. Not that far out. I just need heading east.
Oh, well, I'm trying to see like how far out this will go without being like.
There's a lake.
Okay, so that's good so far.
Too bad you can't build swords in this. That would be so cool.
It takes about 5 for it to drop. So every 4. That may go for digging and everything. So we need to keep that in mind. Try to put up like, oh, the wool. Look, some of the cotton is drying. That's cool. Like every 4 or 3 or 4. Whatever we can handle in the underground tunnels, like, we need to make sure it doesn't cave in, so, yeah. Because that would suck.
Back.
What?
Back.
Fack?
Back. I'm right here.
Oh, I thought you said fack, but you said I'm back. Don't do that. What are you doing? Stop being goofy.
Could do this.
Wait, be more goofy, but don't shoot this. Like, just be funny, okay? I don't want any more shenanigans. What the fuck are you?
Any more shenanigans?
No, not this bullshit. I'm trying to build.
No, you don't. You don't.
Fuck
You
off.
don't. You don't.
Fuck off.
You know? I missed it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm gonna build something special for you. Just for you. Yep.
Okay.
Oh, really? You're floating now?
Yep.
Just magically floating here without any issues. Really?
What?
Okay, that ain't what I wanted to build. Oh, you see that messed up sculpture over there?
Yeah.
Just floating? Yeah, that was what... That's not what I wanted to build, but it was the beginning. But then I messed up by having a floating piece.
Okay.